Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you 10 easy hairstyles that you can do everywhere, and if I can do them, then you can do them as well. This video was actually one of your suggestions, so thank you very much for this one, and without further ado, let's get into the video. We are going to start off with a very simple hairstyle, but that's the one I use the most, and it is a sleek low ponytail. I prefer doing a middle parting and just brush it until it gets nice and sleek. However, if you do have wavy or curly hair or even bangs, you might want to use a styling gel to brush up the hair. I will pop my favorites down in the description. Once the hair is sleek, just tighten your hair with your favorite hair tie. For the second look, we are going to work on top of the already made ponytail to create a sleek and pretty low bun. It's very easy, you just start twisting your hair and you put a hair tie around it to keep everything in place. And that's it, and I like it when it's a tiny bit messy. For this easy braid, we will start again with a ponytail. However, this time I will make it a little bit higher than the low ponytail, roughly around mid part of your head. Then you brush it out just like in the previous two to make it nice and sleek, and I left a mid parting again. You tighten it with a hair tie and start braiding. I am doing the all-time classic 3-strand braid. Secure your braid at the end with another hair tie. You can pull out your hair a bit if it's too tight for you to create a bit more of a messy look. And voila! For the bubble ponytail, we will start again from a ponytail which is mid-high. Depending on how long your hair is, you will need a couple of hair ties. You basically divide the ponytail into even sections and secure each one of them with a hair tie. And to make the hair a bit more bubbly, you can pull out some of your hair so it looks a bit more messy and bubbly. Okay, so this one I got from TikTok. I just like how cute it is. So mid-parting is essential here, and you just get your front hairs and start braiding them. Again, the classic 3-strand braid. Do the same on both sides and secure them with a hair tie, and it's preferable to use the small ones. This is another hairstyle with braids that I love doing. I think it's called Dutch braid, but it doesn't go all the way down. You start off just like the classic 3-strand braid, with the only difference that you add hair to the end section of the braid every time. Once you've reached a bit after your ear, just tighten it with a hair tie and repeat on the other side. And we are starting with additional help, my favorite hair clips from Zara. I actually think they are still available. So you get the front bits of your hair, put them together at the back of your head, and just secure with the hair clip. And that's it. A little variation to the same style with the hair clip. This time don't leave mid-parting, but brush it smoothly instead. Pull the hair together at the back of your head and twist it so it can create a bit of volume at the front. And then you tighten it with the hair clip. I love using a hair claw, and you know how much I talk about this one in particular. So we are going again with a midsection and low ponytail, and again we want everything to be sleek. Then you start twisting as if you were to create a low bun. And the excess hair you bring up and secure it with the hair claw. Okay, so this one is my favorite one. You see why. So you just get your whole hair as if you were to do a high ponytail. Then you start twisting it and finish it up with the hair claw in front of the bun. And voila, you have a crown. It's really cute and I love it. And the bonus one, which is not a brainer at all. I love using hair bands and it's, well, the easiest thing you can do. So guys, this was everything for me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this little video and I'll see you again next time. Bye!